How to fix Snapchat? My AI something went wrong. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Once you're in the camera page, tap on your Bitmoji icon in the upper left corner of the page and this will direct you to your profile tab. In here, click on the gear icon. It's on the upper right corner of the page. Scroll down in the settings page and find the clear data. It is under the privacy controls tab. Now in here, you will find the option to clear my AI data. So just confirm it in this window and this should fix your problem. After clearing it, restart your application and your AI should now work. Now if this didn't work on you, it could be a problem in your cache. To fix this, go to your settings application, go to general and then proceed to iPhone storage. In this page, find Snapchat application and once you're here, click on offload app. This should refresh the cache and data that your application currently holds. After offloading, simply reinstall it. Once it's done, your AI on Snapchat should now work. So that is how to fix Snapchat My AI something went wrong. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.